Storms Check channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a new budget phone for AT&T Prepaid. It's available now in electric blue there. If you guys are looking to get a 5G phone for cheap, the AT&T RADIANT Max could be the phone for you. It's currently on sale for $89.99, 64 gigabytes of storage, and the full retail price of the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G is $179.99. Cricket is selling this phone for $189.99, so right now it's $100 off. It's $100 off at AT&T Prepaid. So yeah. So let's go ahead and check this phone out here. So yeah, this is the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G. Of course, its main selling point that it does have 5G. So that's front of the phone right there. Sorry about that. My microphone keeps hitting the down arrow, so sorry about that. So anyways, on the front of the phone, you got a teardrop notch with front-facing camera. Earpiece above that, power and RAM case on the right side of the phone now. And like I said, it's available in the electric blue there. Alright. See my images? Yeah. So there's the front of it again. Power RAM keys on the right side of the phone now. Micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. There's the back of the phone. You guys have 4 cameras. It looks like it does have 3, but there is indeed 4 cameras on the back here, along with the dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor. You also have your AT&T logo on the rear, and then it looks like it has like a two-tone finish on the back there. So pretty nice looking phone. I don't like the blue color, but you know, it does look very nice nonetheless. There's the back of it again. There's the back of it there. So pretty nice looking phone. Like I said, your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone. Yeah. So yeah. Overview here. Says here, built with the latest leading edge technology, the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G can transform your world by bringing more to your fingertips in real time than ever before, and its powerful octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 700 processor ensures remarkable performance so you can live your life seamlessly, whether at work or at play. Indulge in AT&T RADIANT Max's 5G brilliant 6.82-inch HD Plus display, which is perfect for binge watching your favorite shows, streaming games in real time, or showing off shots taken with the AI enhanced with quad camera. 5 stunning cameras, 4 in the back, 1 in the front, of course. Have you covered no matter your subject matter. A 48 megapixel main camera for your needs, 8 megapixel camera for ultra wide shots, 2 megapixel camera to enhance your portrait shots, 2 megapixel super macro camera to capture stunning detail and vivid focus, and a 13 megapixel selfie camera to keep you looking your best. The AT&T RADIANT Max 5G large 4750 mAh battery lasts all day, but fast charging and wireless charging support have you back just in case. Feel secure knowing that the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G includes fingerprint. Unlock all the latest Android 11 security and privacy features, and is backed by AT&T's 2-year warranty. So pretty cool. So this does have Android 11 on it, so that's pretty cool. The Cricket version did not mention Android 11, didn't mention that, but it's good to know that this does have Android 11, which is very nice. You also get a 2-year warranty on this one as well. And yeah, check out the images here. So there's the front right there. Y'all guys watch the little video right there if you guys are interested. So like I said, on the front of it, you guys have your teardrop notch for your 13 megapixel front facing camera along with your earpiece, 20.5:9 aspect ratio. On the right side of the front is volume keys and power button. On the back of the front is your full cameras along with dual LED flash, fingerprint sensor. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. So that's the front there. Pretty nice looking front there. It does have a headphone jack on top of the front along with a noise cancellation microphone on top. On the bottom of the front is your microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. So it's very nice. Features and specs. Gigantic 6.82-inch HD plus display, AT&T 5G. Quad cameras in the rear, 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth sensor, 2 megapixel ultra, 2 megapixel macro lens, and then 13 megapixel selfie camera on the front, and a 2-year warranty. Your dimensions are 6.94 inches height, 3.9 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. I guess they must have mistyped it. They did need to fix that. The AT&T RADIANT Max 5G weighs 7.83 ounces, so a bit hefty, because there's a big ass battery in there. Display 6.82 inches, 720 by 1640 pixel resolution. That is HD plus, 20.5:9 aspect ratio, 16.7 million colors. Like I said, it does have rear cameras in the back. It has 4 of them. It has 4 cameras in the rear. 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel super macro lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear. Video capture 1080p. Video playback 1080p, 13 megapixel front facing camera. Other unique features include night, portrait, bokeh, time lapse, slow motion, panorama modes. Other shooting options include HDR, beauty, ultra wide, super macro. Battery 4750 mAh battery. It's not removable. 23.05 hours of talk time. 18 days of standby time. Speaker 24 hours. Headset 30 hours of audio playback. Wireless charging and fast charging cable, so that's good for $90. Time to charge to 50% is 60 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 160 minutes. It does have a MediaTek chipset in there, octa-core processor, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 512 gigabytes of micro SD expansion, 4 gigabytes of RAM, so it's very nice. I thought it had 3 gigs. I said that on the Cricket version. I said that it had 3 gigabytes of RAM on the Cricket version, but I was wrong. It does have 4 gigabytes of RAM, so that's very nice. For $100, you're getting a lot for this fucking phone for $100, which is insane. Android 11. I don't know if it'll be Android 12. I don't know. We will have to wait and see. You do get 5G, of course, which is the main selling point, along with fast charging and wireless charging. You do get 4G, LTE, 4G, 3G, which is pretty soon to be shut down. HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity 8211, ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, low energy, hotspot up to 5 devices, noise suppression by MediaTek, has wireless emergency alerts, and it takes a nano SIM card. So, pretty cool there. I like the fact that AT&T goes into more detail about the phone, like specs and different features of the phone. Cricket Wireless don't do that. So if you guys have the Cricket version and y'all guys want to get the full specs on that phone, go to the AT&T version. It's all right here, listed in detail. So AT&T, great job on that, giving us details and stuff like that, in-depth details. So yeah, so what apps comes on the phone? There's a preloaded apps from AT&T. Y'all guys get remote support, advanced messaging, 1.0, Facebook, real-time test, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T mobile security, visual voicemail, device help, device unlock, prepaid companion app. So you do get that device unlock companion app. That's the prepaid version on this one. So that's the one that we're looking at here. AT&T Personal Cloud Mobile Services Manager, Setup and Transfer, Facebook, they list the Facebook twice, which is interesting. The AT&T TV, My AT&T, the CW, Game of Thrones, Conquest, which you bought the install life. You guys understood DC Universe and Indefinite, AT&T Protect, Call Protect, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi, Bleacher Report, CNN, DirecTV, HBO Max, Pluto TV. So you get a lot of ads from AT&T. You get My AT&T, which is your account thing, which provides a fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. Games, Google Chrome is your web browser. So you're basically an AT&T apps preloaded on this one. You will get Google apps from here as well. So yeah, so don't expect any apps from the manufacturer, because I don't know who the fuck makes this one. I don't know. Your sensors, you have accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity sensors. Listening there. Music is YouTube Music as your default music player. Accessibility there for hearing aids and stuff like that. Sustainability and all that good stuff. You guys can check those out. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, quick charging, brick, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejection tool. So pretty cool there. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The AT&T RADIANT Max 5G is now heard at AT&T Prepaid. That's available now for $89.99 currently on sale. The full retail price is $179.99 for the AT&T version of this one. The Cricket is on this one for $189.99. So you're getting a lot for this one. You're getting a lot. For $100, you're getting a lot. Like I said, you get 5G, which is the main selling point, fingerprint sensor, wireless charging, fast charging, big battery. You're just getting a lot for this one for $100, a lot, and that's insane. Yeah, I don't know why Cricket is selling it for $189, but they are, and AT&T Prepaid is selling it for $800 less right now at $89.99. So the AT&T version is cheaper. So, yeah. So that's kind of interesting that AT&T Prepaid is selling it for $800 cheaper than the Cricket version. But in retail, guys, but in full retail, guys, the Cricket version is only $10 more. It's only $10 more. So the full retail price of the AT&T RADIANT Max 5G is $179.99. The full retail price of the Cricket Dream 5G, which is the Cricket version of this phone, is $189.99. So there you go. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.